Are you looking for the top 3D scanning services in Noida Sector 76, Delhi, NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Private Ltd is here to provide you with the best scanning services in the area. With their cutting-edge technology and expertise in 3D scanning, Scon Design India Private Limited is the go-to company for all your scanning needs. When it comes to 3D scanning, Scon Design India Private Ltd stands out from the rest. Their team of skilled professionals uses state-of-the-art scanners to create highly detailed and accurate 3D models. Whether you need scanning services for architectural designs, industrial components, or even medical equipment, Scon Design India Private Ltd has got you covered. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from other scanning services is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. They understand that each project is unique and requires special attention. That's why they work closely with their clients to understand their specific requirements and deliver results that exceed expectations. Scon Design India Private Ltd offers a wide range of scanning services to cater to different industries and sectors. Whether you are in the automotive industry, aerospace, or even entertainment, they have the expertise to handle your scanning needs. From small objects to large-scale projects, Scon Design India Private Ltd has the equipment and knowledge to capture every detail with precision. In addition to their top-notch scanning services, Scon Design India Private Ltd also provides post-processing services to ensure that your 3D models are ready for use. Their team of skilled technicians can clean up the scan data, remove any imperfections, and even add color and texture to bring your models to life. So if you're in need of top 3D scanning services in Noida Sector 76, Delhi NCR, look no further than Scon Design India Private Ltd. Are you looking for the best 3D scanning services in Noida Sector 76, Delhi NCR? Well, look no further because Scon Design India Private Ltd is here to fulfill all your scanning needs. With their top-notch technology and expertise in the field, they have established themselves as the go-to company for all your scanning requirements. Whether you need a 3D scan of an object, a person, or even a building, Scon Design India Private Ltd has got you covered. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from other scanning services is their commitment to excellence. They have a team of highly skilled professionals who are dedicated to providing the best possible results. Their state-of-the-art scanning technology ensures that every detail is captured with precision and accuracy. Whether you need a high-resolution scan or a quick turnaround time, Scon Design India Private Ltd can deliver on all fronts. One of the best things about Scon Design India Private Ltd is their wide range of scanning services. They offer 3D scanning for various industries